Today, I lost my job. I was going to start this video on a totally different note, but as I was preparing my script, we were laid off. It was a job that I really loved, more so the people that I got to spend those 3 years with. And for that to be taken away from all around you, it's heavy. And they made work actually really fun. Moments like these, where there's a sudden change in your life, makes you wonder. So, some context. We signed up for a trail run in Sagada happening on April 26th. It is called the Wild Side of Sagada Trail Run. I'll be going with my 4 other friends, Banjo, Martz, Alan, and Kiefer. When I saw this event, I decided that, hey, why not? I started running earlier this year. I've never done a race. I've never signed up for anything like this before, and I wanted to test myself, see what I can do within 30 days. It's exciting. It's kind of scary. Another year, another challenge. And in order to prepare properly, I wanted to set some ground rules for myself. No junk food. This includes like alcohol only on occasion. No coffee. I'm pretty acidic. Of course, more veggies, and stick to a plan. Like run at least 1 to 2 times in the weekdays, and then 1 long run in the weekends. Getting into something like this without any preparation at all can lead to injury if you're not careful. Since I don't have much experience in serious training or going through a program, I needed some help, and that's where this guy comes in. This video has been sponsored by Amazfit, and they sent over their T-Rex 3. I believe it's part of their outdoor series of watches. Let's see how the next 30 days go, and I'll let you know my thoughts at the end of the video. Today marks the first day that I'm absolutely locking in for my first ever trail run. I have 38 days.
We have a new visitor. New character on that. Mr. Shawnee Boy is joining us for another Sunday easy run.
10K, fast but slow, but still at the same time. Good day, good day.
You're able to sprint with Shawnee? Yeah, yo!
Kamu sa una mong intervals?
Fucking killed me, bro. But I'm happy that we're already talking about it.
Great progress kumpara nung una natin.
Yeah, dude, first time, I thought we were dying. We weren't even talking to each other.
Second run among the 30 plus days. First 5 kilometers we did 1 minute walk, 6 minute run intervals, and then good shit, honestly. This is, I think, my 4th run since I started prepping for the trail run. First day using the Amazfit T-Rex 3. Looking forward to seeing how it goes.
Let's go, pal.
Last run before the trail run. It's exactly in 7 days. I'll probably rest for the next few days. Finally beat my PR. I don't know if you can see it. Probably show it on the screen. It's a good day. Good day. Get my gear ready. And yeah. One day lang. Let's go. Sagada. Before we headed out for Sagada, I looked back and this 3rd-day journey wasn't easy. April 22, 4 days before Sagada, marks my last day of seeing most of my workmates. I know things won't be the same, but this has been the best 3 years of my creative life so far.
And I would like to see this race as the final episode to this story and hopefully the start to many, many more. This channel and my literal adult life wouldn't be the same without me. Walang ito kung wala kayo.
Years have gone by since I felt you. Held me close the few times that you did. I wish that you would talk about your feelings, 'cause then I know just how hard it must have been. The great divide between
Hello po, Andrew and Mary's po. Ayun.
never felt so wide. And I pray with all my might that you would one day see the light and come back to make it right. Make it right.
Problema ko, medyas eh. Pag nabasa eh.
Yan ang mga mo.
Ano ko sinot ko.
Susugod ba tayo? Yun yung ano. Yan. Sabay.
Ang dami na natin matutubaw.
Game.
Ay, parang last week, nasa UP lang tayo.
Saan tayo? Sagada, baby.
Ay, dyan yung ano.
Ay.
Gago paano kung Squid Games pa rin bukas? Puta. One side of Sagada. Pitch.
Flatly.
Ano naman natanggal na yung side.
Flatly. Ha?
Fuck. Gusto mo ko niyaya dito.
May susi.
Lahat pala, di ko na pinost-still.
We in this bitch now.
Kuya, sorry, Alan. Ano pa yung wish mo?
No injuries. Pati ano. Podium finish.
Ikaw,
Good health. Lumaki ng tama.
yung mga
Podium finish ang puto. Nag-training ng podium finish ka ba?
Ikaw, Mars, ano pa yung wish mo?
Final wish, sponsored by Altra.
Ikaw, Banjo, ano pa yung wish mo?
Sana yumaman ako.
Final wish ko lang. Makauwi eh.
Walang
Sana mga pulot ng ginto, mga ganun.
Damn.
Ito na, ganyan.
Okay naman.
Bro, ganun sa vlog eh. No? Kaya natin to, sir.
Start na. Ano yung pace natin kahapon pababa? Yun ulit tayo.
Okay.
If kaya magsama-sama.
One! Magiga 50K runners in charge!
Thankfully, this watch has a map. So in case I get lost anywhere, at least it's there.
Wala lang, pogi-pogi, sari-sari. Tapos na. Kaya natin to, sir. Hindi tayo hindo. Let's fucking go.
Almost 300 meters ascent. We're almost at the end of the first major ascent. Kasi alam ko after the first water station, ano na eh, pababa na tayo eh. Oops, ingat. Madulas. Thank you. Okay, good. Ilan na po ito?
Apat.
Pang-apat, wow.
Na-try na pero hindi dito sa alam. Dito sa Sagada.
Yun. Damn, bro.
Parang naman tayo tayo clips na.
Morning. I think we go up. Wow. Ang ganda naman dito. Morning. Mauna pa kayo. Opo, ito na yan. Kailangan na yung headlamp.
Ito yan?
Opo. Parang may nakita akong orange na andun eh. Pang ilang trail yun na po ito?
Sorry?
Pang ilang trail yun? Wow! Nakatatlo ka na. First ko ever to kasama ng grupo ko. First namin. Lamig. Sulit na pala to eh. Freedom on the outside. Go ahead. Mauna ka lang.
You know, life has a funny way of giving you your best moments when you least expect it. Experiences that can alter the trajectory of your life, and people who change your life so much that they become part of you. However, it can take all of that away in an instant. It really is part of growing up. It's a continuous cycle of being human, and every time it tests you, it asks,
number 106. Ma'am Martin.
This far into the video, I just want to thank you for watching our journey to our first ever trail run. It was a surreal 30 days of just running and training. I don't think I was capable of committing to it, and I do have a lot of people to thank for that, including my friends who were with me. I do have to give a very big special thank you to the sponsor of this video, Amazfit. This is what they sent over. This is the Amazfit T-Rex 3. It is part of their outdoor smartwatch line, and they sent this over so that I could test it out, try it out for hiking. And I actually had a smartwatch before. It's this little guy. If you compare it to this big guy, the Amazfit T-Rex 3, this is built like a tank with military graded stainless steel. I've bumped it around a few times, and to this day still no marks of damage. It's also waterproof, rated to go as low as 45 meters underwater. I was able to swim with it a few times, handled pretty well, and if you do need it, it has AI assist, a bit like Siri on your iPhone. If you do need AI, it's there. It also has a bunch of features that really cater to me as someone who really enjoys going on hikes. It has a built-in hiking mode to track your pace, elevation, and even a compass if you need it. It has altitude assistant for when you're far up into the mountains. It has storm alerts to warn you of any dangerous weather conditions, which you most likely need, especially if there are moments where, sometimes we don't even realize there's a storm coming, and that can really be a big help. It has pinpoint dual band GPS to accurately guide you, and downloadable offline maps to keep you on the trail. So when we were in Sagada, I was able to actually download a map. It can really help, especially when you get lost. It is also rated to have around 27 days of battery life. For my case, I had to use this a bunch of times for the past 4 weeks. And within those 36 days, I had to use a lot of its running features and its running assistant features. I only had to charge it for around 2 to 3 times. Since our run in Sagada, it is still alive. What are a few of my favorite features? Number one, it is the price. Comparing it to the competition, you are basically getting all of the same features, waterproofing, saving music on your watch, which sometimes other brands actually ask you to pay a few extra bucks just to have that feature on. My second favorite feature would have to be the running assistant features. For my fellow Strava heads out there, it can easily import into Strava. Now, Amazfit is one of the world's leading smartwatch brands. So if you're like me, who's been looking to upgrade their smartwatch to something built like a tank, cheaper than the competition, but still is made with hundreds of features for all your needs, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 is the watch for you. Thank you again, Amazfit, for sponsoring this video.